Lesson 3, Visualizing Quantities Using 10 Frames. A 10 frame helps you see the answers to addition problems more easily. If you have a long string of objects like this, counting one by one takes too long, and your eye tends to lose track of how many items you have. This is where a 10 frame helps out. A 10 frame has room for 10 items, 5 on top and 5 on the bottom. And when you put items into a 10 frame, it helps you see how many items you have at a glance without having to count one by one. So here we can tell that we have 10 counters. If I take these two away, without counting one by one, we can tell that we have 8 items. If we take these away, we can tell without having to count one by one that we have 5 items. So a 10 frame helps you see how many items you have at a glance without having to count one by one. Let's take a look at part 1. Here, we simply draw the correct number of dots in each 10 frame. In the example, we have 8 dots. Problem A asks us to draw 5 dots. So draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. Let's take a look at part 2. Before students complete part 2, they should use their study cards on pages 65 and 66 to memorize the 10 frames. Then they can complete these problems below. Have students practice saying the answers out loud first. For example, here we have 6, 5, 3, 8, 2, 10, 7, and 0 items. Once students are comfortable, then they can write the answers, and it should take them less than 45 seconds. For example, here we have 6, 5, 3, 8, 2, 10, 7, and 0 items.